Hello Lord of the Rings, Hobbit fans and fellow YouTubers, Alpha Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel. Today I have another statue I'd like to show you, and it is Gandalf the Grey mini statue from Weta Workshop. And I've been wanting to get this one for a while because I have the Saruman one, and I got this one, and in the mail I got another one which is Radagast. And I'll show you that in an upcoming video that's coming up. So I want to show you this one, so let's open her up here. Right out of the box. I love Gandalf the Grey. He's such a cool character. There. Here we go. Here's the issue. Pull this out. And just another mini statue, so it's not a space hog. It's not taking up too much space or anything like that. That's another bonus of these minis. Such a cool little guy. Holding his staff. And with his other hand on his glamdring. I'll show you this real quick here. As you can see there. Cool little art box. This is the new style that they do now. Let's open this part up now. And that there. That's the top. So in the movies as well, there's like 3 wizards, Radagast, Saruman, and Gandalf. And there is actually 5 wizards, but they don't name or show the other 2 wizards that have come down. And you got to be very careful with this by the looks of things. Because of this staff. There we go. Because, as you can see here, there is a foamy here protecting the staff because it's very small. There we go. Perfect. And we will put him there. Just for timing. I love this little guy. So cool. And he's about, I'd say, 6 to 7 inches tall, and he's holding his staff, and it has his other hand on his glamdring, his sword. And I don't know what part of the movie this is, but this is real cool overall here. I'll show you some close-ups here real quick here. But in just the overall, and this one has been sculpted by, see if I could pronounce his name right, if I can read here, Zaohui Gong, if I'm correct me if I'm saying his name wrong, Zahu Gong, I believe. Yeah, so let's show you let's show you some close-ups of this now. So here he is. And let's zoom in. Very cool. Like his likeness to Gandalf. Very, very cool. And you can see his staff there with this crystal in there that illuminates when he's in the dark. And his robes are really, really cool. Weathered at the bottom to show he's been on many, many travels. I love the texture on this robe. And his hair, really, really cool. I love his hat. Lots of texture and everything on it. And you can see, oh, look at the detail on his hand. So cool. You can see all the veins on his hand and everything. Very, very cool statue. I love these minis. I love this line. So cool. And you can see his belt. And I just love his staff. And yeah, I know this is a Fellowship of the Ring. And I do have his staff still in the box, which I am going to be doing an unboxing review of that one in a very quick and upcoming video. You can see his hand there. You can see his veins on there. So cool. So much it's such a little statue and so much detail in these. I just absolutely love this. So cool. I like the robe which is sways like that. Loved it. And yeah, I love the statue. So cool. So that is another mini I have got that I have acquired. And then, like I said, I'll be showing the Radagast wizard coming up in the upcoming video. So, but here is Gandalf. I just absolutely love this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of the Gandalf the Grey miniature. Like and subscribe. Have a great day. See you in the next video. And comment down below what you guys thought of this mini statue. See you in the upcoming video and stay tuned for lots more content coming up.